Lifelike car. This is a okay. So Lifelike is one of 5 different slot cars that were out. Okay, you had Aurora, which has started it, and then Tyco kind of came in with Mattel, and then you have Lifelike that had a series of slot cars, and they kind of went out. They were made by Walthers. Okay, well, actually Walthers bought Lifelike because Lifelike was doing a lot with trains in the 80s. I remember having a lot of Lifelike training accessories when I was in the high school. I mean, they were even in business when I was in the 70s. Lifelike was making a lot of train stuff, train buildings, lights and all that. And then they got into slot cars because everybody was into slot cars in the 70s and 80s. Okay, and so this is another Truckin number 24 Quaker State. It's item number 9741, and this is 1/64 scale. Okay, super fast cars. Okay, super fast cars. All right, not much magnets. It has some down traction, but not a lot. But they still do hold the track really well. And this is Quaker State fast trackers. Patented downforce control keeps your track even, keeps it on the track even on curves at high speed. Number one, you can't go high speeds. In reality, you can't go high speeds on curves. Why they did that, I have no idea, but they did. Everybody wanted to go faster, 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 faster. Now it's kind of in between. People like to just drive fun, but not super fast. And so this is Fast Trackers at ProTinkerToys.com.